Hi, Gemini. So before we start, I do want to mention that I am available for private readings. And for more information, go to my website, firemoonalchemy.com. And if you are enjoying this content and find the messages helpful, I would appreciate your giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, and it would sure help me out a lot. Okay, that being said, let's get to the messages. So happy birthday, Gemini. June is a month of auspicious opportunities as your first house of self is illuminated by the sun, which is accompanied by Mercury, the planet of communication, which is also your ruling planet, and Jupiter, the planet of luck and expansion. Venus is in there too, adding a touch of feminine charm to this already serendipitous planetary combination. Now, your cards for June are the Fool Tarot card and Which Direction. Now, often when the Fool Tarot card shows up in my readings, I point out to my client that they are ready to let some things go. Because as we see in the picture, the Fool travels light, so to speak. So all the signs are pointing to a fresh start for you in June, Gemini. So I'm going to read the message that is on your oracle card, Which Direction? And this card is from the Art of Manifestation Oracle deck. So here's the message. You have reached a turning point in your life. Do not be afraid of taking the wrong path. When you recognize the learning to be found at every step and in every moment of your journey, you will realize that there is no wrong way, only the infinite gain of your personal growth and evolution. Okay, with that being said, let's get back to the intuitive messages. So Gemini, with so much activity in your first house, you could be feeling quite bold, sexy, and maybe a little impulsive. You're feeling good and ready to spread your wings, and that's great. However, like Icarus, there is a danger of your flying too close to the sun if you do not ground your high ideals with a dose of reality. Others around you may have some advice that would be beneficial for you to consider before you take that leap of faith. Or maybe the fact that you are seeing this reading as a sign. Don't let pride stand in your way. It won't hurt for you to hear them out, Gemini. I am sensing a big picture energy here. So perhaps you are overlooking some small yet important details. Remember, the divine and our guardian angels often relay messages to us through other people. Now, your oracle card, Which Direction, shows an image of a crossroad. Crossroads symbolize a juncture wherein a future timeline is determined by an important decision based on free will. Now, yes, it's true. Both paths will get you to your destination, Gemini. And as the written message on your card indicates, either path contains a journey wherein you will learn valuable lessons. However, traditionally, when we face a crossroads, usually there is one path that has more twists and turns than the other. That being said, word to the wise, decisions made at the crossroads should not be taken lightly. Now, the Fool Tarot card upright in your reading is a good sign. Now, as we move on around mid-month, your priorities will shift to home, emotional security, finances, and long-term goals. So the combination of the sun moving into the sign of Cancer on the 20th and the full moon in Capricorn on the 21st produces a profound shift in awareness as you reflect on what truly matters to you. Yes, you can have it all, Gemini. And around this time, you will be inspired to prioritize healthy, conscious choices that support a success mindset in all the key areas of your life. So I'm going to wrap this reading up and just say, Gemini, the month of June holds great promise for you. As long as you embody mindfulness, integrity, and discipline, you will navigate these transformative energies with grace. You've got this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed these messages and found them helpful. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Gemini, I love you and I wish you the best for the month of June.